Okay, a chest of drawers is a dresser.
Or a dresser?
Yeah.
Chest or jar?
Chest or jar?
Chest or jar?
Oh, chest or jar? Wait,
Chest or jar?
you saying chest of drawers?
Yeah, but the drawers, we say drawer or jar.
So you call your underwear your jar? Your
Correct.
jar?
Your
jaws?
Jaws are your jaws, yeah.
Your jaws.
Yeah.
Your jaws. I'm like, these are your jaws right here.
Chest or jar?
Chest or jar? Chest or jar?
Well, yeah.
So how you say, like, it's in the top drawer?
It's in that top jar.
It's in the top. Drawer is jar. What is this?
Jar kind
It smells like pee or it smells like urine.
Mm-hmm. You have to make the sound effects first. In your rinky.
What's the sound effect?
In your rinky.
Wait, do that again.
Be
Ranky.
careful, say no blood, no boo boo, In your rinky.
In your ranky.
Yeah,
In here is nasty.
rink. Yeah, like if you pee up yourself. If you pee up yourself, man, I said, leave that smell rink, man.
Pee pee up.